Two people were injured in a motor vehicle crash in Waterford Township, New Jersey on Thursday, July 29th. A car traveling on the White Horse Pike left the highway and overturned into a ditch. Firefighters were quickly able to extricate the victims, and while one person was taken by ground to a hospital, a second person was flown by a New Jersey State Police helicopter. SouthStar was assigned to the job, and it landed just a short distance away at the Waterford EMS building. After a quick survey of the LZ, SouthStar landed and its flight crew went to the ambulance that was already there so crew could do a quick assessment of the victim. The victim was then wheeled to the waiting helicopter for a short trip to Cooper Trauma Center in Camden. An engine company from Winslow covered the LZ.